Alright guys, we're doing another Fast Break basketball from Hit Parade. So this is Series 1. I don't even know if they're doing a Series 2. I haven't seen them release anything new in a while. So there's 15 hits per box, mix of relics and autos, and then the chance to find those case hits is what makes this product. So you could find a Jordan graded card, could find a Kobe auto, LeBron auto, Steph Curry rookie, bunch of huge case hits. So let's see if this box holds the key. Ashok, you've got the Warriors. Brian M with the Hawks. Casey, you've got the OKC Thunder and the Sixers. Chris M with the Mavs, the Knicks, and the Magic. Gabriel, you've got the Phoenix Suns. Jacob R with the Nuggets, Pistons, Rockets, Pacers, Clippers, Grizzlies, Bucks, Timberwolves, and the Pelicans. Jason B with the Nets. Jory's got the Kings, Spurs, Raptors, Jazz, and Wizards. Kenny E with the Cavs and Heat. Mike H with the Celtics and the Bulls. Ronald T, you've got the Lakers. And then Mike B, you've got the Hornets and the Portland Trail Blazers. Yeah, let me give it one more call, Doug. So anybody else want any takers on the Gold Rush Premier Players? Doug's going to buy half the case, or half of that break. So 4 spots left, and we can break another one. So last call on Premier Players. Otherwise, we'll do another one next weekend. Still no case hit, man. These things are eluding us. Hopefully it's not a pack of crap. Alright, first up we got a Kwame Brown. So the first card is crap. Sweet Swatches Relic for the Wizards. Alright, Doug, it looks like we're going to be doing it next week, man. Alright, next up we got a Tyson Chandler Relic for the Bulls. Then we got a Kenyon Martin Relic for the Nets. Next, we got a Sweet Shot jersey, Emmanuel Manu Ginobili. We got actually Emmanuel listed there. So Spurs Relic. Doug, thank you, man. Congrats on some of those hits tonight, man. We'll get those in the mail to you tomorrow. Hope you have a good week. Next up, debut threads for Seattle, which will be OKC, Rashard Lewis. Next relic, we've got Elton Brand for the Clippers. Next, we got Richard Jefferson, another one for the Nets. A little warm-up pants, maybe. And then the last relic, we got a Stephon Marbury for the Knicks. Little rookie debut relic. All right, and then the first auto, let's see if we can get something out of here. Antonio Burks, on-card auto, Memphis Grizzlies, number to 100. Strike one. Next, a Dallas Mavericks, Devin Harris. This time number to 999. Next up, we got a Jared Jordan, bench warmer for the LA Clippers. Never heard of that guy. Next up, we've got Mike James, relic auto for Houston. You got to give us something good in here. Next, we've got a Joey Graham for the Raptors. On-card relic auto. Then we got a Josh McRoberts, good grief. Number 799, signature threads, Portland Trail Blazers. At least put guys you've heard of. Alright, one auto left. At least we've heard of this guy, Jamal Crawford. SP Authentic Signatures on-card auto for the Knicks. So one of those autos is a guy that did not ride the bench the entire career, if he even made it to the NBA. Alright, so the good news with this break is that it's over, because there's not a whole lot to brag about. We'll get those cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow. It's all about those case hits, man, and we definitely didn't pull anything good in this one. But we'll get those cards in the mail. I've got a couple more boxes of this, so we've still got a chance to pull one of those nice hits. So we'll give it another try here in the next couple weeks.